Alright, so this is an update from the last video. Before I get into it, I need to apologize. I'm sorry for the absence. I've been occupied with work, and not to mention, I believe I promised that I'll be giving an update on the corrections, but I was able to do that. In all honesty, it's pretty difficult to track corrections while they are correcting, so I don't think I'll be trying to do that anymore. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm sorry about the absence. I think it's been about 2 to 3 months since I posted my last video, but now I believe that an opportunity is coming, so that's why I'm making this video. So by now, if you've been a regular video, you're quite familiar with my trading view count, where I counted from the beginning of the data that's available on TradingView, and I was able to mark some 1-2s and potential 3-4s. So this is the 3-month time frame. I just want to use it to show something. So the point of contention is still 1-2, 1-2, and then series of 1-2s and 3s, or whether these are 1-2-3-4, and then this is the fifth wave extending. So we still have that contention, but currently I'm moving with the fact that this is 1-2, 1-2. So it's not yet this has not yet come into play, so it's not something to bother about currently. So I'm going to move to the 1 month time frame. Alright, so the correction we were having, or we just finished having, was for this blue 1-2. Now I counted the bars, 5 bars, 5 bars on the months. I believe it's about 22 bars, 22 weekly candles. So this correction might have ended, and I'm going to show you why I say that when I move on to TradingView. When I move on to MetaTrader. The essence of this was just to show the overall count. So I'm going to move into MetaTrader now. Alright, so this is my count on MetaTrader. Before I get into it, I would like you to notice something, that the end of this, or the proposed end for this wave 4, is around the area of the wave 4 of the previous wave, which is something we know Elliotwave talks about. Then I'm going to move into what I believe this correction was or is. I took this as a 3-wave move in an A, and put that well. If we move to the lower time frames, you see that it's a 3-wave move. And then I took this as some sort of 3-wave move to the upside, and then this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The reason I didn't like the idea that this was going to be a fifth wave initially was because it was taking too long, but in hindsight, it does form a perfect 5 wave. The I now believe that this is a truncated final fifth wave, and I say that because I was having issues counting this as a 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It does fit the 9, but then if we take this as a 1, 2, 1, 2, and a 3, a 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, there's no 4, 5, there's no final fifth wave, so it doesn't fit that 5-wave view. Some people may take it as a diagonal, but that just doesn't sit right with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. It just doesn't sit right with me. So I'm taking it as a corrective wave for wave 4, and then I'm taking this as a final diagonal. Now, a bit of warning. I wouldn't say this is a call to just get into a trade, and I wouldn't say this is a call to just be relaxed, but this is not the time to place a trade. This is just a time for watching. But on the other side, I would say that if you don't get this opportunity when it comes, even if I don't get it, then I'm probably going to have to wait for the next wave, which is going to be the fourth wave of this. It's going to be the fourth wave of this 1-2, and this lasted for about a year and 2 months. So I would really like to get in on this one. Now, back to my analysis. I've been tracking a I've been tracking a 1-2-1-2. We've had a 3-4, and we seem to be extending in that fifth wave. We had a 1-2-1-2, a 3-4, probably a 3-4 and a 5. We've hit the 161.8 level. So what I am anticipating in the near future is a 1-2-3-4-5. We take out that previous high. We take out this high, and once we take out that high, probably going to be a lot of people or a lot of orders that are situated at that high, stop orders or limit orders that are situated at this high, and then it's maybe going to trigger a few losses, but I'm going to be expecting a correction at that point. It could be a flat correction, or it could be a zigzag correction, which is a sharp, or it could even be something like a double zigzag or whatever it's going to be. But just keep in mind that we're waiting for a 5-wave move to sort of verify the fact that the correction has ended. If we don't see that 5-wave move, then there's no point rushing into a trade that you're not sure is going to play out. So yeah, that's it for gold currently. I know on my channel I stated that I would cover Bitcoin, but I've not really been covering it. Same reason as with gold, it's been correcting, and I didn't really feel comfortable putting out updates on corrections, so I didn't do that. But currently, I'm looking at something. This is a bit of a gamble. I have a trade in, but I only started it at 0.01, and I've sort of taken my stop loss to break even. So I believe the correction has ended rather. I believe the correction has ended, and the reason I believe that is we had a 5-wave move to the downside, a 3-wave move to the upside, and we've had a 5-wave move to the downside. Now, if we follow the premise that we're supposed to have a 1, 2, and then a 3, and a 4, and a 5, then that's going to be quite a deep correction in the sense that we are going to move from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's quite deep. It's possible, but it's just quite a deep correction. And if we follow that same premise on something like XRP, then there might not even be enough space for that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There might not even be enough space for that on something like XRP. So we're just going to have to watch and see what happens. If the correction has truly ended, then there is a point of invalidation, which is this high. That's the last high created by the wave C of the 3-wave move in the correction. So yeah, that's this high over here. If we break that level, then we know that we're no longer going for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just in case you're thinking, oh, is it possible that it could be an ending diagonal? I think ending diagonals usually have to be in threes. So it has to be a 3, another 3, another 3, another 3, another 3. Not sure how it would work with an ending diagonal in a correction, but I think it still follows the same principle. I'll confirm that, or you can confirm that, I guess. So that's it on Bitcoin. XRP basically is following Bitcoin as well. So yeah, that is pretty much it. In summary, wait for the completion of this 5-wave move, and then we wait for the correction, be it a zigzag or be it a flat. So yeah, that's it for this video.